This is a 2008 Toyota Sienna, the vehicle with enough space for you and yours. The most desirable features on board this Toyota include a power seat, power windows, an AM/FM radio, front multi-stage airbags, a stability control system, and this vehicle has just over 45,000 miles. The steady six-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is perfect for commuting or cruising. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This minivan won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.